In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split Shopify order. Splitting an order simply means partially fulfilling it so you can ship some items now and the rest later. This is especially useful when a product is back ordered, stocked at a different location, or you just want to get available items out the door quickly without holding up the entire purchase. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to the orders section from the left-hand sidebar. This is where every purchase appears along with helpful statuses like unfulfilled, partially fulfilled, or fulfilled, so you can immediately see which orders are waiting on action. Next, click the specific order you want to split. On the order page, review the line items and quantities to decide what should ship first. A quick glance at product titles, variants, and quantities will help you avoid sending the wrong size or color. Confirm you're looking at the correct order and that the items you plan to ship are in stock and ready to go. Now click Fulfill Items. This opens the fulfillment panel for that order. Here's where the split happens. Select only the items you want to ship first. If you're sending an entire line item, keep its quantity as is. If you're only shipping part of a line, adjust the quantity to match what's going out now. Leave the remaining items at 0 or unselected. This tells Shopify to create a partial fulfillment without closing the entire order. When everything looks right, click Fulfill Items to confirm. Shopify will immediately mark those selected products as fulfilled, and the rest of the order will remain unfulfilled. The order timeline will show a new fulfillment record so you can track what shipped and when. If your store automatically sends notifications on fulfillment, your customer will receive an update for this first shipment, and they'll still see that other items are on the way. Later, when the remaining products are ready, return to the same order and repeat the process. Open the order, click Fulfill Items, set the quantities for what's shipping now, and confirm. That second fulfillment closes the loop for the rest of the order while preserving a clear history of each shipment. A few quick tips as you work: double check item variants and quantities before confirming. Make sure the items you choose are physically ready to leave, and remember that partial fulfillments keep inventory and reporting accurate without forcing you to hold the entire order. And that's all it takes to split a Shopify order with confidence and clarity.